Let us solve a question on consumer's budget line. The question is, at which point of budget line x2 is equal to m upon p2 minus p1 upon p2 x1, the consumer consumes only good x1. M denotes the income, p1 and p2 are the prices of good x1 and x2. So options are being given, we need to find out the correct option. Okay, so given the budget line, that is x2 is equal to m, which denotes the income, upon price of good 2 minus price of good 1 upon price of good 2 times units of good 1. This is our budget line. We are supposed to find out the point where the consumer consumes only good x1. Okay, so if the consumer consumes only good x1, that means at that point consumer will consume 0 units of good x2. That means it implies that our x2 should be equal to 0. When x2 is equal to 0, that means in place of x2 here we have 0. So 0 is equal to m upon p2 minus p1 upon p2 x1. Solving it here, to transpose it here, it becomes positive. So we have p1 upon p2 x1 is equal to m upon p2. Solving further, so x1 will be equal to, we have m upon p2. If I transpose p1 upon p2 to RHS, it will get multiplied but reciprocated. It becomes p2 upon p1. Here p2 and p2 gets cancelled. We are left with, so x1 will be equal to m upon p1. So when consumer consumes only good x1, that means good x2 will be equal to 0. So this and if I draw the budget line here, so we have good x1, we have good x2 here. Drawing the budget line will look like this. So at this point we have x2 is equal to 0 and x1 is equal to m upon p1. That means consumer spends all income on good x1. That will be equal to income upon the price of good 1.